Now next we have Born-Haber cycle for lattice energies. So relation of lattice energy with thermodynamic data is given by Born-Haber cycle. So ये देखिए, ये this is the reaction of formation of a ionic crystal. So Na in solid state plus Cl2, that will give you NaCl solid. Now the overall process takes place in the following steps. इस तरह होती है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो आपका मेटालिक सोडियम है दैट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू गैशियस सोडियम एटम्स. सबसे पहले ये देखिए, दिस इज सोडियम इन सॉलिड स्टेट प्लस S here is the sublimation energy. To convert it into solid state, we have to sublime it. And the energy used in the process, that is the sublimation energy. So this will give you Na gaseous. Second step, dissociation of chlorine molecules into chlorine atoms. We have chlorine, 1 mole of chlorine gas, and D here is the dissociation energy. It will dissociate into 2 Cl atoms. So D is the dissociation energy. Now this is 2 mole. We require only 1 mole of Cl. So thus the energy required for producing 1 mole of gaseous chlorine atom, that will be obviously D by 2, half of this. So this is half chlorine plus D by 2, 1 mole of Cl gas will be produced. Then third step, it involves conversion of gaseous sodium atoms into sodium ions. Now we have sodium in gaseous forms and it will be converted into ionic form in gaseous state, and the energy involved, energy used in the process is ionization energy. So what is ionization energy? The amount of energy required to remove most loosely bound electron from an atom in its gaseous state. So we are removing an electron from sodium when it is in its gaseous state. तो energy कौन सी होगी? वो ionization energy. Then comes fourth step, which involves conversion of gaseous chlorine atoms into gaseous chloride ions. Obviously we have by dissociation energy से हमें 1 more of Cl atom मिल चुका है in gaseous form. तो अब इसको हमें convert करना है Cl negative ion से. तो क्या कैसे होगा ये? Obviously energy will be released in the process because here we will add 1 electron to Cl negative, and the energy which is released in this process इसमें that is electron affinity. You know the definition of electron affinity, I already explained. The amount of energy released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom. This is the electron affinity. So now next is, now we have this sodium in gaseous state, sodium ion in gaseous state, Cl ion in gaseous state. Now next will be combination of oppositely charged ions to form a solid crystal. Now this Na positive in gaseous state and Cl negative in gaseous state, they will combine to form NaCl crystal solid, and the amount of energy released in this process, that is the lattice energy, you know. Now overall change, it can be expressed as Na solid state plus 1 mole of Cl in gaseous state to form NaCl crystal in solid state. Now, according to Hess's law, the heat of formation of NaCl should be same irrespective of the fact whether it takes place directly in one step or through number of steps. अब Hess's law बनता है कि जो heat of formation है NaCl वो same आएगी आपकी, delta HF that will be same, चाहे वो एक स्टेप की रिएक्शन हो, जैसे ये है Na प्लस सॉलिड प्लस हाफ क्लोरीन गैस, दैट विल गिव यू NaCl सॉलिड, चाहे वो नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स में आप उसको करें, जैसे पहले हमने उसको सब्लाइम किया, फिर उसको हमने आयनाइज किया, यहाँ पे डिसोसिएट किया, फिर उसकी इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी से उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड किया, फिर दोनों को कंबाइन किया टू फॉर्म NaCl. तो एनर्जी डेल्टा HF दोनों में सेम होगी. सो delta HF, that will be equal to sublimation energy, dissociation energy plus ionization energy plus electron affinity plus lattice energy. और अगर आपको U नॉट निकालना है, lattice energy निकालना है, तो obviously delta HF यहाँ पे when they will come to the other side of the sign, they will be नेगेटिव, इनका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, डेल्टा एच एफ माइनस एस माइनस 1/2d माइनस आई ई माइनस ई ए. So this cycle of formation of crystal, NaCl crystal, which involves number of steps, this is called as Born-Haber cycle. You can draw it. This is the main reaction. We have our reaction is this: Na solid plus Cl atom to form NaCl crystal. But the steps involved are Na solid, first of all, it is converted into, by sublimation, it is converted into gas. Plus sign here denotes that heat is absorbed. Then Na gaseous state, in gaseous state it is converted into Na positive ion. Here again what energy is involved is ionization energy, and plus sign denotes that energy is absorbed. Then here in case of chlorine, this is the dissociation energy, d/2. Cl2 is dissociated into Cl atom. Plus sign denotes that energy is absorbed. Then this Cl in gaseous state, electron affinity, by using electron affinity we will convert it into ion. Cl नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, और जो यहाँ पे ये नेगेटिव साइन है ये डिनोट करता है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी, ये जो है एनर्जी रिलीज हुई है जब आपने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड किया Cl में. Then both these Na positive and Cl negative, they will combine and NaCl is formed. And this energy is U naught, is the lattice energy, means in this process also the energy is released. ये negative sign denote करता है. So this cycle, it is called as Born-Haber cycle. And again I'll repeat that positive sign is used for energies absorbed and negative sign for energies released. So thank you.